Assume landing your dream job offer by the end of the weekend. It might sound like a stretch, but the power to manifest your desired career is within your grasp. You possess an innate ability to shape your reality, and your job search is no exception. Let's dispel the myth that landing a dream job is solely dependent on your resume, experience, or luck. While these factors play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality, and by harnessing their potential, you can attract your dream job with astonishing speed. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel, all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that limited job opportunities or stiff competition dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your job search. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your desired career. Visualize yourself already in your dream job. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to feel the satisfaction, excitement, and fulfillment of being in that role. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate confidence, positivity, and belief in your abilities, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and change. Think of them as stepping stones towards your ultimate career goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desired job is already yours in the mind, and it's merely a matter of time before it manifests in the physical world. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow, and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being, capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power, and watch as your dream job becomes your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. Your dream job is closer than you think. Tired of endless job searches and rejections? It's time to shift your perspective. The secret to landing your dream job might not lie in your resume or cover letter, but within your own mind. Your imagination is a powerful tool. It's not just for dreaming, it's for creating. Every thought you have is a blueprint for your life. Your brain doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's assumed. When you vividly assume yourself in your dream job, your body responds as if it's already happening. This physical reaction sends powerful signals to the universe, attracting circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with your vision. The key to rapid manifestation is to feel the emotion of already having the job. Don't just think about the job, feel the excitement, the satisfaction, the financial freedom it brings. The more intense the emotion, the faster your manifestation. A powerful technique is what some call assumption. Assume you already have the job. Walk, talk, and feel as if you're already in the position. This might feel strange at first, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with it, making it easier for the universe to deliver. The world outside is a reflection of your inner world. If you're filled with doubt and fear, that's what you'll attract. Cultivate a mindset of abundance, confidence, and faith in your abilities. Believe in the infinite possibilities. And most importantly, be patient. Manifestation is a process, not a magic trick. Enjoy the journey, and trust that your desires are unfolding in perfect timing. The key to landing your dream job in 48 hours is to combine vivid imagination with deep-seated belief. Feel the emotions of already having the job. Assume it's true and live accordingly. Maintain a positive mindset and trust in the universe's timing. By following these principles, you're setting the stage for extraordinary changes in your career. You are the creator of your reality. The power to shape your career lies within you. Many believe that landing a dream job requires relentless networking, impeccable resumes, and a stroke of luck. While these elements play a role, they are secondary to the power of your mind. When you align your thoughts with your desires, you tap into a potent force that can overcome any obstacle. The key lies in shifting your focus from what you lack to what you desire. Instead of dwelling on rejections, inadequate resumes, or limited opportunities, visualize yourself already in your dream job. Feel the emotions of accomplishment, satisfaction, and fulfillment as if they are currently yours. This mental shift creates a vibrational match between your inner world and your desired outcome, accelerating the manifestation process. The universe operates on the principle of like attracts like. By cultivating confidence, positivity, and belief in your abilities, you invite opportunities into your life. Let go of fear, doubt, and self-limiting beliefs, for they hinder your progress. Replace them with faith, hope, and expectancy. It's essential to understand that manifesting your dream job isn't about forcing or manipulating circumstances. It's about allowing your desires to unfold naturally in divine timing. Trust the process, and have faith that the universe is conspiring in your favor. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally in this journey. By impressing upon it the image of yourself in your dream role, you create a blueprint for manifestation. Utilize techniques like visualization, affirmations, and gratitude to reinforce your desires. Every thought you entertain, every word you speak, and every action you take contributes to the creation of your career reality. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they are the seeds from which your career grows. You are the architect of your professional life. Design it with care, passion, and intention. Believe in your ability to create, and watch as your dream job unfolds before your eyes. You must feel it deeply. Assume the office environment, the challenges, the triumphs. Feel the excitement of the first day. The more vivid your imagination, the more potent the signal you send to the universe. It's like painting a picture with emotions. The brighter the colors, the clearer the image. For instance, if you desire a job in marketing, don't just think about the title. Feel the thrill of a successful campaign, the satisfaction of closing a deal, the energy of a creative team. Let those emotions wash over you. Doubt is the biggest obstacle. It's the whisper that tells you, you're not qualified, or someone else is better suited. Don't listen. Replace doubt with confidence. Every successful person started somewhere. Their journey began with a belief in themselves. When challenges arise, see them as opportunities for growth. Every obstacle is a setup for a triumph. Instead of focusing on the problem, focus on the solution. Shift your perspective. What appears as a mountain can be a stepping stone when viewed from a different angle. While imagination is powerful, action is essential. Visualization without action is like a car without gas. Take inspired action towards your goals. Update your resume, network with people in your desired field, and learn new skills. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Opportunities often disguise themselves as challenges. Be ready to seize them. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Your dream job is waiting. It's time to step into your power and claim it. The path to your dream job is unique to you. What works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different techniques, find what resonates with you, and trust your intuition. Be patient with yourself, and celebrate every step forward. You possess the power to create the career you desire. Believe in yourself, and let your imagination run wild. The universe is abundant, and your dream job is waiting for you. Your desired job is valid, and you deserve to experience it. Trust in your ability to manifest, and take inspired action towards your goals. The universe supports you, and your dream job is closer than you think. So, what are you waiting for? Start today. Begin with a single thought, a small act of faith. Watch as your desires unfold, and your dream job becomes a reality. You hold the key to unlock your dream job. It's not about luck or chance, it's about understanding your innate power. You are the creator, the artist painting the masterpiece of your career. Every thought, every feeling is a brushstroke on that canvas. Choose wisely. Fill your mind with vibrant colors of confidence, determination, and success. Your reality is a reflection of that inner palette. Don't let fear or doubt dim your brilliance. You are capable of extraordinary things. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Your faith in your abilities is your greatest asset. This journey is yours alone. Seek guidance, but trust your intuition. Your inner compass knows the way. Celebrate your successes, learn from your challenges. Every step forward brings you closer to your dreams. Ready to step into your power? Hit that like button to amplify your intention. Subscribe to this channel for more tools to master your career. Let's create a wave of success together. Alright, that's a wrap. This video was just the beginning. I have so many more ideas and tips to share. Subscribe to join me on this journey and let's grow together. See you next time.